Good day. With the speed at which electric transport is developing, I think everyone already wants their own electric bicycle. I wasn't bored, but global companies set quite high prices on them, especially on electric bicycles. So, I decided to create a special design that will be installed on my bicycle and transform it from a regular bicycle into an electric bicycle. Moreover, the cost of it, along with the battery, which by the way I assembled in the previous video, should not exceed $100.
I assembled the bike like a clay sculptor. Energy flows like a river in the bay, and my battery says jumper. I'll think of something to move on it way. I assembled the bike like a clay sculptor. Energy flows like a river in the bay, and my battery says jumper. I'll think of something to move on it way. My bike like a blacksmith with skill and might. Sparks fly like stars in the night. I will weld all the paths for width. I build my bike and artist paints a scene. Electricity is the push, the battery, the paddle. There is no room for it, benzene, and we only need it for charge and reset. I assemble the bike like a clay sculptor. Energy flows like a river in the bay, and my battery says jumper. I'll think of something to move on your way. I assemble the bike like a clay sculptor. Energy flows like a river in the bay, and my battery says jumper. I'll think of something to move on your way. Oh, I'll move on your way. Oh, oh, oh.
Then, we started to set everything up more precisely. And lo and behold, this design began to work. And of course, the most enjoyable part of this whole process is testing your creation. of course, the most interesting part is the cost. I managed to buy one hoverboard for $30, which means one ring costs 50 naus. The controller was ordered from the heavens for $8, and the throttle handle was about $7. In total, it comes to $30, but it would be wrong not to include in this cost all the metal that was lying around in our garage, which had no value, but I believe it should be included. Plus, the sprocket and chain can be added for an extra $10. That makes it $40 without the battery. In the last video, I showed how I assembled a battery from used cells, which turned out to be quite cheap. I managed to put it together for about $55, so we have a total of $95 for the complete set. He is on the cable, the cable, with a pretty good battery and basically a working design. But specifically for those who think that $95 for an electric bicycle is still a lot, even though it's significantly lower than what global brands offer, I also have a special option for them. Let's go, I'll show you. This is the electric bicycle, specifically the design I recently picked up for my grandmother. This is how everything works. The so-called collectible pilot. It is simpler and cheaper to manufacture. If the battle in this design had cost half as much, that is $50. However, it all works. And for several months now, grandmothers will be exporting it to their village. There is absolutely nothing good about this design. I will not make a separate video about it. Anyone who has even a little understanding of mechanics can easily replicate it. So, both designs of the electric bicycle turned out to be quite successful. Which of the designs did you like more? I look forward to your response in the comments. Thank you all for watching.